Welcome to Commons West 203. This is a west-facing studio apartment on the second floor. The kitchen is equipped with an electric oven and stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator. The living area is furnished with a full-size bed, a dresser, desk and desk chair, and a bookcase. This apartment has lots of natural light thanks to its 3 large windows. It is equipped with an air conditioner and a heater. This apartment has 2 closets. And the bathroom has a combination shower and tub, as well as a large mirror and a medicine cabinet to store your things. The utilities included are heat, water, and trash removal. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and internet is available upon request. Call now for more information. Thank you.